And at the top of today's list is the StG-44, the weapon many consider to be the father of the AK-47. The StG-44, short for Sturmgewehr 44, was an assault rifle developed by Nazi Germany during World War II. It is considered the first modern assault rifle, combining the firepower of a submachine gun with the range of a rifle, laying the foundation for future infantry weapon design. Key specifications: developed by Nazi Germany, introduced in 1944. Cartridge, 7.92 by 33 mm Kurds. Operation: gas-operated rotating bolt. Rate of fire: approximately 500 to 600 rounds per minute. The project began from Germany's need for a mid-range weapon more effective than the Kar-98K, yet lighter and more mobile than machine guns. Early prototypes: MKB-42H and MKB-42W eventually evolved into the MP-43 and finally the StG-44. Under Adolf Hitler's directive in 1944, it used the intermediate cartridge 7.92 by 33 mm Kurds, allowing better control during automatic fire. The weapon featured a 30-round curved magazine, stamped steel construction, and a relatively simple gas system. This design heavily influenced future rifles, especially the AK-47. Although only around 425,000 units were produced, the StG-44 proved the superiority of the assault rifle concept. After the war, its principles spread across multiple armies. Historians consider it the beginning of modern assault rifles.